What if I told you that you could start investing in cryptocurrency with just $100 and potentially see profits on your very first day? Stick around as we break down the first 10 steps to kickstart your crypto journey using XRP as our star example. And hey, if you're ready to dive into the crypto world, just remember, in crypto, the only thing that goes down faster than prices is your Wi-Fi connection. Let's go. First things first, you need to learn the lingo. Terms like blockchain, wallet, exchange, and altcoin are essential. Understanding these terms will set you up for success in the crypto space. And remember, if someone says HODL and you're confused, just nod and say, I'm holding it for dear life too. Next, familiarize yourself with different cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin is the king, XRP stands out with its unique features, like fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it perfect for cross-border payments. Speaking of payments, why don't cryptocurrencies ever get lost? Because they always follow the blockchain. Now pick a reliable exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Create an account and make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security. This is where you'll buy your crypto. Just remember, the only thing worse than forgetting your password is forgetting your seed phrase. Trust me, it's like losing your wallet in a black hole. Once your account is set up, fund it with your $100. Most exchanges allow bank transfers or credit card deposits. Quick tip, check for any fees. And if you're feeling unsure, just remember, investing in crypto is like dating. Sometimes you have to kiss a few frogs before finding your prince. Time to buy. Search for XRP on your chosen exchange, enter the amount you want to purchase, and hit buy. Congratulations, you're now an XRP holder. Just make sure you don't yell, I'm rich. In public, your bank account might not agree. Now let's dive into candlestick charts. Each candlestick shows price movement over a specific time frame. Green means the price went up, red means it dropped. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions. And remember, candlesticks aren't just for sushi, though a good roll can help you roll in profits. To secure profits, set a take-profit order. This tells the exchange to sell your XRP automatically when it hits a certain price. It's like having a backup plan for when your crypto crush says, let's just be friends. Don't forget stop losses. This is your safety tool to limit any potential losses. Set a stop loss a little below your purchase price. If XRP drops to that price, it sells automatically, protecting your investment. It's like having a parachute for when your investments take a nosedive. Use indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to gauge whether XRP is overbought or oversold. This helps you decide when to buy or sell. Just remember, indicators are like your friends. Sometimes they guide you, and sometimes they just confuse you. And finally, keep an eye on the market. Stay updated with the latest news and trends. The crypto world moves fast, and being informed is your best strategy. Remember, in crypto, the only constant is change.